Aptos token has become my biggest buy recently, the month of December, just after the market crash. And likewise, I'm investing in a set of tokens which I strongly believe can give me good return once the market moves in the right direction, which is the buying direction. We know market is crashing since October, and I have made my investment clearly weekly by weekly. And being said that, I have made a big investment on Aptos recently after checking its fundamentals and of course the price action. And similarly, I will take you through few more tokens that I'm investing right now, and I believe that can make me good benefit, a good money coming in 2026. So with that, make sure to subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon if you haven't done already. And of course, the memberships are live. You can check the link below and check all the details about the membership. So let's begin. So as you can see here, before I take you through the details, we have to check the crypto fear and greed index, which now stand at 16, which means extreme fear. That means people are bailing out, they're not investing, they're not buying. And that is when, as an investor or as a crypto trader, you should take a buying decision, because when the market is panicking, that is when you buy. Keeping that in mind, let me show you what is going on with Bitcoin. And based upon this thesis, I started buying the token. Like I said, once the Bitcoin crossed this 50 EMA mark, we will see another crash. And that is exactly happened in December. We saw the crash, and on December 1st, we also witnessed the fall or wiping out of $140 billion worth of value from the crypto market within 4 hours. And that happened because of various factors. One of them is Japanese bond, and of course the China stand on crypto would still remain negative. And this particular information has been shared by me on my Telegram community of members who are part of my gold, silver, or platinum membership. Now coming back here, and let me show you what I have invested and why I have invested. So I have invested in Aptos. I bought nearly 3,000 tokens yesterday after the crash. Why? Because of two main reasons. Number one is because of the current market sentiment. It is now hitting all-time low $1.8, which it never did. Also, BlackRock invested $500 million worth of Biddle fund on this chain, and recently the flow of stablecoin on Aptos is quite quick, which indicates the fundamentals are going to be strong. The technicals look quite weak, but again, since we are in the down market and this one has bottom, it makes sense to buy this the bottom, because right now the only way for this token is to go up, given the fact it is a legit chain. The second chain that I'm buying it is this one, which is C. Again, the token has bottomed. It is a proven layer 1 chain which hit an all-time high of nearly $1 but back in 24. Now this is a value zone, which you can see right over here in the yellow rectangle. And of course, BlackRock have also invested in C chain worth $1.2 billion of Biddle fund. That means it will resurrect back, and any pump in this token will give me good value. I have purchased nearly 3,000 C token for now, and I will be DCing it. The third one is XPL, which is about riding the stable coin narrative. It is right now the only chain which allow stablecoin payment without charging any transaction fee. So this gives me confidence that it will bounce back, and once it does, we can make a good 2x, 3x, even 10x return, because the stablecoin is going to be the future of 2026 payments. And again, Plasma is offering it without charging any transaction fee. So make sure to include Plasma in your watch list. And I have bought nearly 3,000 token of Plasma coins. Again, 533 is my ratio. Now coming back to the potential token that I'm eyeing but haven't bought it yet, because they are still not bottomed or matched my criteria. Of them, number one is Virtual, which is this. The king of AI agent is right over here. It is going down, but still has room to grow down to nearly 60 cent, and that is when I will make a buying decision. I will update you in my Telegram group or next week in the video. Now the second token, which is again one of my favorite, and that is my Pengu coin. The Pengu coin is one of the best token to invest because this has a very vibrant community. They are generating revenue, they're cash positive, and their token has strength. Of course, you can see it's going down, which makes it a good buying decision. I'm holding my buying here because I'm waiting for it to hit go down more to 0.006 before buying here, and then will sail up back up, making a good opportunity, the buying opportunity. These are the two tokens I'm eyeing right now. Of course, there is Zora token, which is on my radar, and there are some other tokens that I will update later on. But right now, my biggest investment is Aptos C and your plasma for this week. Now, you tell me, what are the tokens that you're buying, or are you buying, are you holding, or have you just sold out everything and moved away from crypto industry? What are your thoughts about crypto in 2026? Because right now is the best buying season if you have cash in hand, and this will really reap you 2x, 3x, or 5x. So that's my view about it. If you like the video, make sure to subscribe, press the bell icon. If you want to join my membership, the link is here below. We share crypto updates, of course, trading setups every week so that you can make money even in the down market. So let's meet tomorrow and let's make some good money. Thank you.